start our journey.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. 저 저렇게 많이 사면 어떡해? 저 그만 사. So stop buying things. Yeah, you already got too much here.
Yok.
Ben eminim ben bunu başında 620
15 alırlar.
Inshallah. Inshallah. So what did he say?
Come.
So what did he say? For 3 days? Really? You sure?
I use my power.
Wow, you're really good business girl. Wow, nice. Wow, inshallah. Huh?
Bilirəm, da elə 310 tümən o 20 tümən çıxmır. Sevdə yeri 10 tümən də.
Verdim benim. Gördün.
O əvəzinə çay.
Aparım. Ələm benim. Buyurun. Çok memnun.
Onca rəf.
Wow, inshallah.
İnşallah.
Arab Shame menswear. Wow, I really like it.
Bu adam biri bezən ya. Çakamını yapayım bu zaman.
Yes.
Mersi xeyman.
Mercy, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. Hold up, Pez. I really like it. Oh. Yes.
That's sweet you.
Yeah, summer's here. Wow.
Yeah, I'm really discounter girl.
Oh yeah, nice. Good job. So how do you feel today? So after the hangover yesterday, do you feel way better now? Huh?
Yeah, I recovered. I totally recovered.
Oh, did you ask your friends about it? Did you ask
About what?
about if I can buy?
Actually, yes, I asked, but...
No, you didn't ask. Don't lie. You didn't ask, right?
How do you know?
Always forget. Always forget
How
what I
do you
said.
know? Because...
No, I know you now. So you forgot, right?
No, I just focused.
Okay, I'll forgive you. Just tell me the truth. I'll forgive you. You didn't ask, right?
No, wait a second. Because I mean, in Iran, it's not like, Europe or another country.
Yeah.
If you contact for that man about two...
That means you didn't do it yesterday.
Yes, I didn't.
You forgot, right? See, I told you. I knew it. I knew it. You forgot. Oh, I knew it. See.
Okay. Yeah, right.
So this is the entrance of bazaar.
Yeah. It's just beginning,
Okay.
not the main.
I really like this traditional market.
Yeah. That's really famous.
Yes.
Let's start our journey from...
Okay. Can I also get my money to change here?
Yeah, I will
Okay.
tell. Let's start here.
Okay. So tell me about this bazaar, please.
Actually, this Tabriz Grand Bazaar,
Okay.
the most famous bazaar and the longest bazaar
Yes. In
in the
Iran,
world.
right?
No, in the world.
Oh, but the Turkey people say the same thing. They say they have a grand bazaar, which is the biggest bazaar in the world.
They're
Yes.
same, but we have more than the store in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
because of that.
Let's figure it out today. Wow, it's huge.
There's a gold. You can go to see the gold bazaar.
Nope. I don't
Okay,
know
come.
what it. Yeah.
You see the doors? You know why the door is really big? Because I say that in the past this place was the Silk Road.
Okay.
And because of that, all of this architecture because of the trade. You know, Tabriz carpet is really famous, as you see. Yeah.
환전을 하려고
many
지금.
Changed.
It depends on the rate.
Rates metal.
비싸움이 항상 중요합니다. Depends on the rate.
Əlləməz olsun.
Trading scene, yes.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Salam, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Wow.
From South Korea.
South Korea. Yeah, Seoul. Yeah, Seoul. Do you know about Korea?
I know where to get this in my job. I know where to get everything.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. That's
There are
cool.
many from Korea, from China, from Japan.
Many people here?
Many people, not exactly this time.
Not this time, right?
Not this time, but 2 years ago.
Before COVID.
From Korean comes here.
Right. Wow, your English is really good.
Some are working in Tehran, some they are working here.
Yeah, nice.
From Korean, not too many.
Okay.
Maybe it's only 30 come.
Oh my gosh, you're really bad at counting money.
1,400,000.
Sonra zamanı. Daha bir ihtiyacın sorusu.
You don't have another? You don't have another?
Nope, there's only one left. No, I just got it from Armenia just a month ago.
Bir Ermenistan'dan Ermeniye. Bəli, bəli.
Merci. Merci.
This
Oh.
actually this is flower.
Really?
And
Can I touch
we
it?
made it. Yeah, you can touch it. We make
Oh. Shafran.
jam. No jam.
What do you call this flower? Shafran?
I think, no, that's not saffron flower.
What is that?
It's Mohammadi flower.
Muhammad?
Muhammadi.
아, Muhammad Mali.
Mohammadi.
네.
Peygamberi Hamad.
네.
He didn't understand.
네.
Bilmirəm nə deyirsən. Bilmirəm nə
I did my
deyirsən.
best to understand, but you're so bad. Yeah. Merci.
Peygamber İngilizce yok, peygamber Arap'ı.
Amma ərəbdə.
Why? Don't buy, why?
Dad, they think that this is really nice.
Yeah.
Expensive? No, I didn't really like it. No, I'm not saying that I want it. I don't like it. But I want to try this, but I don't like it.
Try it.
No, don't buy.
No, I want to buy. I want to buy.
This is just plum, right?
Yes, I want to buy.
Oh, you're gonna get it too?
Yes.
Why? Why too much?
So you.
No. 저렇게 많이 사 먹어. 또 안 사? Is that alcohol? What is that? Of course not. 뭐 사는 거지? Syrup? Charred up? No, it's okay. What is this, by the way?
Purchase.
Ah, really? Do you have to just buy? How much? Yeah, I'll buy this. How much is it? Let's just go little. How much is it? Oh.
Don't do that.
No, you don't do that. No, I tried this last time.
Do you like
No, I don't like it. No, I'm not buying anything. It's too much.
Sandoka shark can eat. Do you want?
No, not at all. A different color.
Canadian well-known.
Canadian. Oh, okay. Nice. It's okay.
Do you want?
It's okay. 아, 이거 다 못 먹는데 이거 지금 가방에도 이거 지금 2개 들어있고 이거 다 자꾸 사. 아니 무겁다고 나 지금 가방. 왜? What is this for?
Just use it
어?
in future.
Use how? Use what? Use for what?
Mother can use.
그만 사와서 stop pointing. 여기 얼굴이가 too much here. See? You do not say you want anymore. Okay? See, you already got full here. 왜 이렇게 많이 샀어, 얘?
Dokumentariyə istir götürəcək.
Oh, really? Let's see. What is this?
It's a kind of halwa. We eat in breakfast. You know, you can see many kinds of halwa here.
한국 역 같네요, 역.
Korea.
You have a 마늘 장아찌 here too. You know, we eat garlic like this. We marinate into the
Yeah.
sour sauce or something like that, and then we eat a lot. It's just also sour, right?
Yeah.
Wow, I can see the taste.
Yeah.
Wow, it's like a caramel. can
It's
see.
sugar. It's
Just
brown
sugar?
sugar. Yeah,
Oh.
we can use it in a tea.
Okay. The sugar, okay. Little like
Fire
corn.
and it's
Okay.
it's like this.
Like a popcorn. And Canon, right? 뭐 얘야? 멜론이지.
I asked how can I try for tourist visa, and I say for Korea, South Korea. I said you should go to.
So they want to go to Korea?
Yeah.
Okay.
You really want.
So why did he ask you?
Because he wants to my advice.
Okay, cause you got a Korean friend. That's why.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
because
okay,
you are
okay.
my- yeah.
So did you give him some good answers?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't even know how to do it. You don't even know how to do it.
No, I
Did you
don't.
lie to him?
No.
Okay. You do it again. Yeah.
Really easy.
I don't. Yeah, easy. I don't have to use my hand. See?
But why?
Hmm.
It really seems you eating fruit, not.
Yeah. I don't.
Because it's really, it feels really good. Try. Feels good. Really, when
I'm better.
especially when you angry from one.
So now ticket.
Yeah.
Why you're not angry this time?
I'm always.
Why you're not angry this time?
See the nightmare about tickets.
Okay.
About your.
So why didn't you become?
You're gonna kill me. Okay.
I'm not killing anyone. Just please buy me ticket. I'm leaving soon, so say something to me.
I don't want to live here, but it's okay. I will come there really soon. That was really good time. Had really great times together. Really great memories, and we ate a lot of yummy food. And you really joked to me. Really,
what did I
I
do?
never forget this.
Oh,
I never forgive you.
forgive me? Did you draw this? Oh, seriously? So.